Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall DaVinci Resolve completely. So you must remove the main application, support components, manually delete hidden library folders that hold your database and settings. So basic uninstallation is that we go here to the control panel. Then we select program and features, and right over here we will find DaVinci Resolve, right click and uninstall the app. Then you can also uninstall the DaVinci Resolve control panel right over here. And then if you have something more, you can also uninstall it from here. Now in the Windows, if you press Windows R, it will open up this small window here, run window, and then type in app data, click on it, OK, and let's go here to the black magic design. This one here, what it's going to do is basically you need to delete here everything. Preferences also, so basically you will delete here really everything. Now what we can also do is we can enable show hidden files. So, and when you do that, you just delete everything has left here. Also what we can do is go here to the video, and sometimes we will find here some catch clips, like is this one here or this one, and we delete also these files. And this is basically, with that you will delete and uninstall DaVinci Resolve completely. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.